Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to remove and install the silencer and exhaust pipe on a Royal Enfield Classic motorcycle. To do the job you will need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the two Phillips head screws securing the exhaust guard, a 17 mm spanner to remove the rear silencer bracket mount, a 12 mm socket to remove the silencer front bracket, and the two hex nuts securing the exhaust bent pipe. A 10 mm socket to open the 10 mm hex nut and bolt securing the silencer to the exhaust pipe. You can use a T-spanner or ratchet with extensions to remove the 12 mm hex nuts securing the bent exhaust pipe, and also the 12 mm bolt securing the silencer front bracket. Remove the two Phillips head screws securing the exhaust guard. Using the 10 mm socket, turn counterclockwise to remove the hex bolt. You might require 10 mm spanner to secure the hex nut while opening. To free the silencer bracket rear mount, you need to remove the rear pillion foot peg using a 17 mm spanner to open the hex nut. Using the 12 mm socket, turn counterclockwise and remove the hex bolt to free the silencer front bracket. Remove the silencer by pulling it out and turning it a bit. Take care, it's a bit heavy. Let's go ahead and remove the exhaust pipe using the 12 mm socket. Turn the two hex nuts counterclockwise. That is the second hex nut. Now go ahead and remove the exhaust pipe. Let's assemble the exhaust pipe and silencer. Assembly is the reversal of disassembly. I will quickly go through the steps again. Install the exhaust pipe and secure the flange to the two studs on the engine head. Fasten the two 12 mm hex nuts turning clockwise. Do not tighten the hex nuts right now. Assemble the silencer, then tighten the hex nuts. Install the pillion footrest, securing the silencer rear mount bracket. I will put back the 17 mm nut after fastening the 12 mm hex bolt which secures the silencer front bracket. Fasten the 12 mm hex bolt turning clockwise to secure the silencer front bracket. Now I am fastening the 17 mm nut to the footrest. Fasten the 10 mm hex nut bolt with washers. Turn the hex bolt clockwise to secure the silencer to the exhaust pipe. Assemble the exhaust guard and fasten the two Phillips spanhead screws turning clockwise. Once you have installed the silencer to the exhaust pipe, tighten the two 12 mm hex nuts. Don't forget to check and tighten all the nuts, bolts and screws with the appropriate torque and not by over tightening them. Hope you found this useful. If yes, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button now so you can see new videos as they come out. I'm always coming out with new videos. Anyways, thanks for watching.